Start.
So good morning everyone. My name is Shyam Sundar and today I want to talk about corruption. We all know that the corruption is the only thing which destroy our nation. Like in even a single state there is corruption. So today by taking this thing in my mind I want to talk something about corruption. Like first we have to know what is corruption. Corruption is the warning to all the nations. Like corruption first we have to see the word like threat. Threat means warning. The corruption is only the warning that we just have to aware from this warning. If we doing corruption in our India, so there is a huge bad impact to our nation. So the introduction of the corruption is like abuse of public office for private gain. World Bank. Like why this World Bank is here? Like we just want to talk like by the public power the politicians and the so many big leaders used to do so many bad things. Like if the politicians have their great power and the great hand on his back, so the politician can do even a small corruption in our India. Like take an example, you heard a news like in Tamil Nadu there is one leader of any party. They used to say like we just have to throw the Sanatan from the India. He know that most of the population of India is Sanatani, but he used to say why? Because they have the political support, they have the public power. That's why he says. The second point like misuse of instant power from the private gain. The second point is all about that I am the leader of India and I used to take my position to the another one. I don't know which type of he is. So by giving my position to him, so there is a also bad effect. Like I don't know in which way he runs the nation. So the second point only say that this thing. Like we always have to see that which type of thing is used to do in our India. The third point, the abuse of power for private gain, European gain. The third point is the combination of both two things. Like we just have to see if the person has the public power and they also the new, he or she is the new in the public leader. So they will create a huge corruption in India. We don't know that in which way he runs the country, in which way he used to do the things. So in some ways our country or our nation is in danger. The third point is like bribe. If we talk about corruption and the word bribe is not come, so there is no corruption. Like we just have to talk like bribe. Bribe used to take by the where a government official asks for obtain money and favor in turn of special treatment or government service. Like the first point only say about bribe. Like if a government official asks for money and after this he used to give the service. Like we just take an example on highways. Most of the highways are like the bikes are not allowed here. But if we give bribe to a traffic police, so he used to allow us that you have to go. And for helmet and also for other things, if we give bribe to a person, they allowed it. So the bribe is the only thing which came in corruption. The first letter which comes up in corruption. The second point like exchange of favor between two persons. Everyone knows like bribe. If their word is bribe, so there is also exchange of things in two persons. The third thing is the two person involved. Now the two person, who is the two person? Like first is briber, a civilian like me and like you, and the bribee. The bribee is the person who take bribe from the others. Like there is a line of common of state agent where the state agent misuse his or her power. As I said, like if the person is using incorrect power, so there is a bribe. Now the embezzlement. Now firstly I want to clear the word embezzlement. Embezzlement is like a certain thing we used to take from others and after this we give service to them. It's similar like bribe but not same. First word is stealing. Stealing we all know what is stealing. Stealing is theft. Other person who theft. The second word is the theft of resource. The theft of resource means like the common person how in which way the common person used to used to do corruption. A disloyal employer steal from their employers. Like, I am the accountant of this institute and sir are the boss. Sir used to said me like, you just have to collect the whole money to the student, and after this you have to give me. He can't say like, I ask you that who can't give the fees, and the person who not take his fees, he can't ask me. So in my mind there is like, I want to take some money, so by this we just have to, I am the employee, steal the money of my employer. I used to take money and some money in my pocket, and after this some money to the sir. The second point is only saying that this thing. The third point is different from bribe. Only one person is involved. Like, as I already said, like this is similar. This is not much similar to bribe, but not same also. The third thing also said, like in embezzlement we used to do. The person can do corruption in one way, like overlap with bribery. The bribery is like the exchange of things in two person, but in embezzlement there is only one person. A minister cannot directly transfer money to his or her, to another his or her account reason. So by this point, this is an example. A minister cannot, you all know the minister is the only one who used to do everything. So if the minister transfers some money to the another account, so there is a huge reason why he delivered that money to in our account. So this is the problem. So if we observe embezzlement by the asking for fake receipt, and you all know like if the minister are here, so the corruption will also here. Like the minister used to give a fake receipt of like that in this way I used to do this money. Or like whose ownership is not dissolved, the introduces fake line. The same, all the thing I said, like the minister had the power to do anything. They used to make the fake receipt. They used to say like I hired a person and said like, you just have to say this thing, and he also said like, yes, for the cleaning of cities he wastes this money. So the minister, this is also an example only. Don't take it like that he said this thing. Now the kickbacks. Kickback is like you have to say in which way we just have to came back from the path of corruption, from our bribery. That we just have to kick back. We just have to take the step back from a bribery. We can't give bribe to anyone. Pay me from what I pay you. This is the line. This is very short line, but the meaning of that line is very big. Like I give money to any person, and after this he can't do my work. So by this I used to say, please give me my money back if you can't do my work. So by this I used to take my step back. The example, like when you bid on a job and a job is aware to you and you have to pay some amount, like there are so many companies, if you have to go on this, so first you have to give some money to that company for the growth of that company. So this thing is only about that type of company. If you invest some money on this, after this they used to pay for you. The third point is all about it. Now this is the whole map that we are just talking about. Like the corruption, you have to see like 0 to 5, 5 to 10. These are the letters. These are the labels that in which country. And if I talk about our India, there is India. So at 15 to 60%, there is corruption in India, because we all know like the corruption, why there is so many corruption in India. So I think I don't want to talk about this, but you have to see in most of the countries the only this space is this phase is more is less corrupted. Otherwise, the whole nation is being corrupted. That's why I'm saying like the corruption is the only root cause of any country. Like why there is corruption happens, like lack of awareness. So many people want to take a plot, but they do not know that how we get this plot. That like he used to go from a teacher, and he used to say like I want this thing. So I can't say like you have to go for a teacher and you have to go for a big person, but you have to know what is the way you can do anything. Like most of the people cannot know that I have to give that much money for this thing and I have to not give money in this thing. But lack of awareness, the people are used to give the money. The lack of proper service level arrangement. By this point, the only thing is like most of the leaders, they can't do their work well, and the lack of supervision and the monitoring staff performance, absence of appreciate redressal mechanism. These all things are totally same as this thing. I think I just have to say this thing with an example. Like I just want to buy a plot, and I don't know what's the procedure of it. I used to go on the government office and said I want to buy this plot. So he used to give and said you have to give the certain amount, and after this the legal practices will done, and after this the plot is yours. So I don't know about the what is the arrangement or what is the practice of this. So I used to say yes. Tell me what amount you want. He knows that this person is new in this field. So he generally asks if buying for this land we need only 2 lakhs. He demanding for 5 lakhs because he wants his own money. So on that way the lack of awareness is here. Now the solution of corruption. You all know if there is any problem in our India or anywhere. So there is also so many solutions. So first solution is like creation of the office and documents. I think the word meaning, the most of the person cannot know about this word meaning. So this word meaning is like doing a thing in a proper way. That most of the officers that I already said you so many times, like most of the officers cannot do their things in good way. So this is the only thing. Like strengthened laws means strict law. We just have to make declaration of wealth. Like most of the corruption will place only by the name of that we want some money, and most of the money can take by the people by the mode of health, and on the name of if I give you this thing or this thing. Regulation where MNCs are considered, we just have to put some rules and regulation on this, like on this basis you have to do this thing. And civil service salaries, like so many civil service agents, they used to think that our money is less, and they also know that I have the power of government also. So for fulfilling their need, they used to do this type of corruption in India. So we just have to, not much, but we just have to increase some money also, or the freedom of information. Like as I said in the cause of corruption, that most of the peoples didn't have known that which thing we have to do. So we just have to free for every person. Like you just have to know which type of thing you have to do for the certain thing. So the point is only the same. The independent judiciary, we have independent judiciary, but I don't know in which way we say independent judiciary, because in some ways we do corruption. The so many things were also happened in our India, but we say the independent judiciary. Alert public. I also doing the same thing. I alert you that you can't do any corrupt thing or any corruption in your life. That's why the whole presentation is If the person have any questions, so ask.
I have questions.
Yes.
What is the contribution of a common people? Suppose that a person have a work from in any government offices and the officers demands a bribe for a person. What he should do?
The thing I also I already said, like we just have to do something for that type of agents or that type of boss. As I said in like we just have to make the strict laws. If the boss is asking for a bribe that I want money and you have to take money from him and after this you have to give me. So in solutions of corruption, I already said like we also have to make some laws, some strict laws against that type of things. And any other thing, any other questions?
Sometimes two parties are fighting. After second party, resources of a high level.
They have approach.
They approach. This condition, people
What to do?
what to do and they want corruption.
So you just have to take like you just have to say the party which have the high demand. So they used to take bribe from others.
Yes.
So the also thing I want to say like I already said as I said to him like we just have to make the strict laws against it and not like strict law. You also the citizen of India. You just have to go on police. We have also police. So you have to.
Because police are all police are very corrupt.
Police is also corrupt. Police is also
Involved.
So
Because police is only thing they take bribe only.
so I already said like we just have to make the state law against it. I also cannot do anything. The minister also corrupt. So what I can do? But we have to take our voice on the that much position. So the government will listen us. So we also know how to say our words in front of great leaders. Like they are not like they all ministers are corrupt. There are so many who is good also. So we just have to raise our voice in front of them. So the only thing we just have to do is this.
I have a question.
Yes.
Let's say I have to get any kind of government work done, but in that case I have to arrange all people work, but somehow my one paper is missed, and then I go to government office and they ask where is your paper, and I ask I lost this paper, so do you have anything you can manage? They simply say we can't do this without this paper. You somehow to arrange this paper, but they are not acting. Means they believe only person on the paperwork. Even though person is right and he is completely correct, but in that case, I think bribe is a good thing, because if I am a right person, but and I give a bribe to any person, so I think if a bribe is no there, and good person will face issue.
No.
To complete
In this way you are wrong. Like by you don't have any type of papers. If you don't have, so you have to make. So in another way, you also a corrupt person. If the person only wants a paper, and you said like if there any other thing we just have to do for our work. So this is also wrong. In this way, the agent is not wrong. You are the corrupt person on that way. You have to manage that person. If you manage that paper, if you don't have this type of paper, so you have to go and made it. They
by government policy we can't make without proof, and some person are good, they have been living since long ago, but they don't have any paper. How they will manage and they will get government scheme?
but but we have to understand like in which way we have to do this type of thing. In some ways, I know that paper is like paperwork is most important, but we also have to understand like this way we have to correct this situation. And as you said like about the paperwork, that about the scheme also. So we have also so many schemes that you have to, if you don't have any